Do you know what an artist and a sniper have in common? Details.
Sicily, Italy, during the last weeks of July 1943. The Axis have to retrieve their Fallschirmjäger MG squad out of Allied territory and set up a defense line. The Allied have to destroy an objective to push the Axis back. If they don't succeed in 1 hour, the Axis have to fall back anyway. We managed to get our MG squad out of Allied territory.
Die Weg folgen!
And directly started building our defense line. After 1 hour, the Allied didn't succeed, so it was time to clear our base and fall back to Mount Ätna. We received orders to pick up a Fallschirmjäger drop container with extra ammo, dropped in Allied territory. I had to get down the mount to secure the area around the container. While our commander sent a squad to retrieve it.
Die ligt hier in de toren. Ja? Ja.
Ja, dat buitenloop. Staal.
We gaan nu heel die punt af.
Again, the Axis had to retreat and set up a base between Mount Ätna and the city of Messina.
Nice shot. Nice shot, man. Ik heb niks meer. Dus,
Hij leeft nog.
Eigenlijk wel.
Bang!
We received orders to start a counterattack at Mount Ätna, our previous base. I had to stay out of sight and snipe the enemy from below.
Loop op beugel!
Goed, mag zijn.
Stijn af! Bang!
Ja, dat was hem voor mij dan.
We suffered a lot of casualties but managed to clear the Allied base. Now it was time to set up our base in the city of Messina and hold it till the end of the game. The Allies tried to attack us from all sides around the city, but we managed to keep it till the end of the game.
Thanks again for watching. There'll be more videos coming soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button.